welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome also, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make I have a lot of leftovers macaroni. I have some in that, some in this, and some in this. So I'm gonna make something with it, okay guys? So this is my meat. All the meat I have is this. It's a lean ground beef. And I have my water over here for my macaroni. I'm gonna put some salt in the pot. And I'm gonna make this one boil. To put my macaroni, guys. I'm gonna put it on 8. So make it hurry up and boil up. I have my onions over here, cut up my scallion and my garlic for my ground meat to make my sauce for my macaroni. So guys, I'm gonna finish cutting up my peppers and my mushroom. I'm gonna put peppers and mushroom in here, guys. So I'm gonna cut them up right now and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have some oil in my pot and I'm gonna add my scallion. I'm gonna fry up my scallion and onion. And then I add my ground beef. Ground beef casserole today, guys. So if you have leftover macaroni, which is not enough to make one dish, you can cook all of them in one to make a casserole. So we're gonna give it a minute. Just to sear the onion and garlic together before I add my ground beef. Okay guys? Then I'm gonna add my ground beef, my onion and scallion. little bit. And we'll be right back. Okay, when you have leftovers macaroni, you can just use it and make a casserole. Casserole is easy to make, guys. In my casserole, I have three different types of macaroni. I have some elbows and I have some bow tie. I forgot the name of the other one I have in here. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. So guys, I'm gonna add my mushroom. I have a jar of sauce, spaghetti sauce. I'm going to use the whole thing. Okay guys, I'm gonna drain my macaroni. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my seasoning. Just a little dash of every little thing, not even half a teaspoon. This is Mrs. Dash. I'm gonna add the black pepper. It's half a teaspoon. I'm gonna add seasoning salt. Maybe 1 teaspoon of the seasoning salt, because I'm not gonna add any salt to my meat. And I'm gonna add some flavor rice. Maybe a teaspoon of flavor rice. That's good. So I have them. Gonna have to season the macaroni also, guys. You have to season it that it can flavor the macaroni too. Garlic plus 1 teaspoon. And my own ginger. I'm gonna add a little, not too much ginger. Just half a teaspoon. So that's all my seasoning, guys. So I'm gonna stir this right now. And get my sauce going. I'm gonna get my casserole dish now, and I'm gonna prepare all my stuff to get into the oven. I'm gonna preheat the oven at bake at 350. Need the pepper inside. The pepper is there. So guys, I'm gonna add a pepper after. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, I'm gonna start showing my macaroni in my casserole dish. My macaroni is inside now guys, so I'm gonna get my cheese ready. So as soon as I put my sauce on, I can put my cheese after. Okay guys, so I'm gonna grate my cheese right now. So my oven is at 350 right now, so I'm gonna get my sauce ready and my cheese. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my sauce to my macaroni. So guys, I grated my own cheese, guys, because I don't want the one in the bag, because they have put their chemical on it to not to stick. So I buy cheese and I grate it myself. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes I'll be right back. Okay guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. See you in 20 minutes. So okay guys, I'm putting it for 20 minutes. So see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay guys, so the casserole is coming on very good. So we're gonna give it another 10 minutes to see, get some color on the top. So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, our casserole is ready. Looking nice. So I'm gonna take it from the oven. I'm gonna let it cool down for like 10 minutes before I cut it. So as you can see, it's looking very nice. And guys, this is what I do with my leftover macaroni. Anything leftover I have, this is how I cook it guys. Yeah, I just make casserole with it. So guys, we're gonna cut it and try it to see how the casserole came out. I'm gonna give my niece to try it. So this is it guys. Ooh. She's gonna eat and tell me how it tastes guys. And this is a very filling supper guys. This is what, 5:17 now, and she's gonna have her supper. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. And I'm gonna put some more Parmesan cheese on it for her. I know she's gonna love that. So she's gonna have this slice guys. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. Please hit that subscribe button please guys if you're over here watching our videos. Okay guys? Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. Bye. Ciao. Bye bye.